Hi guys, it's Ray. I just have one thing I want to share with you guys today. Just something I ordered for myself. Just a cute little thing. If anybody needed like a teacher's gift for the end of the year or anything, it's a great option. I am finally starting to get better, so I'm hoping I can actually work on some cups today and hopefully get something done for you. But this is my little package. This is from a friend of mine. You know, an internet friend, Chastity. She does some woodworking, and she posted these on her page, and I just thought it was too cute. I had to have one. So, I will put all of her links and details in the description down below. But, it's just one little thing. Nothing fancy. Cute packaging. So, she did send me a little bonus goodie, I believe. But, super cute little thank you card. And she wrote me a little note on the little goodie she sent me. This was a little gift. I actually know her through the paint group. We're both in the Sea Paints. So, I've known her online for many, many years. Oh, this is the cutest thing. Oh my gosh. So this kind of goes with my other product, but look at this keychain she made me. Isn't that awesome? She uses a Glowforge or whatever. But look at the details on that little turtle. Chastity, thank you so much. And this is what I'd actually ordered. I just thought these were too cute and I had to have one for my desk. It's a little wooden post-it note holder. Let me take it out of the package to get rid of the glare. But oh my god, she let me pick my colors. Because we do the same paint line, I could like specifically pick what colors I wanted, and she sent a perfectly matched post-it note. But isn't this the cutest little thing with the wood tray? And then she can customize pretty much anything you would want on the top. So like I said, if you need a little teacher's gift or something, or you're just somebody that has, I always have post-it notes on my desk, and they're always getting like shuffled around and scattered. And I thought this would be absolutely perfect. And I mean, I might even mount it to my wall and just grab a note off of it. Because wouldn't it look cute right underneath my light switch with the rest of my turtles and stuff there? So I'll have to decide. But it does come with a pack of post-it notes. And in this case, she obviously tried to match it really, really well. Yeah, I have my cutter right next to me. I'm going to use my teeth though. Figure out which is the front, which is the back side. But I mean, how freaking cute is that? But you could have the teacher's name or whatever. I didn't stick that on there, obviously. But I just wanted to pop on and share. Like I said, I will put her, it helps if you put it right side down. But I just want to come on and share real quick. I think this is adorable. And like I said, different, unique kind of teacher's gift or whatever. And she can pretty much do anything and will work with you on colors and styles and designs and all of that. So, and very affordable. So I will put her links in the description down below. Check her out. She does all kinds of other stuff too, but this just really caught my eye. So that is it. Like I said, I'm going to try to get back to tumblers this week. So hopefully I'll have some content for you soon. It's been a little bit of a rough week with COVID. So Chastity, again, thank you so much. Thank you for the extra goodie. Obviously she does really cute keychains too. So that is it, and I will see you soon.